everybody. So it feels like minus 42 in Timmins this morning. It's very, very cold. I'm just waiting for Ed to finish up his bong toke, and then we're gonna show you what happens when you take boiling water and throw it outside. There's Ed. It's gonna be cold. Are you cold?
Sort of.
Well, I'm freezing, so okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Most of it disappears.
It's steam. It's like a sauna. Hey?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah. Get this one high.
That's it. Oh fuck.
You don't fall. Okay. Any words before I?
No, it's cold and I'm going to finish my bong tokes and bye.
Okay, so that's what happens when you throw boiling water in the air when it's this cold out. It turns into steam. Is that what it is? Like
Yeah.
it evaporate? No, it doesn't evaporate. It's steam.
Well, some of it evaporated and then some of it turned to ice. A lot of it turned to steam, like Donna's morning shit. Eh?
Okay. So anyways, that's it. That's all. Bye.